Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of TikTok not uploading videos. So the first problem you may have is a cache problem. You will basically need to delete the cache. I'm gonna show you how. You need to click your profile on the bottom right corner, then click the three lines on the top right corner, then click settings and privacy, and then you just need to go to free app space. It's calculating the cache and you just need to click clear basically. Once the cache is cleared, you just need to close the application, reopen the application and try uploading your videos again. So if you can't upload your videos, the second thing you can try is you need to go to the App Store or Google Play, just click the search bar and type in TikTok. And if it has an update, you need to update the application and reopen and check whether you can already upload the videos. If your videos are saved to the drafts but they are not uploading, it may mean that you have a ban for uploading videos from TikTok. So this ban may be a day, maybe a week, it's not certain. You can try to contact the TikTok support if you have this problem. But I have a last solution you can try, but you need to keep in mind that this method will delete your drafts that are saved to your TikTok account right now. So you need to be really careful with this one. And it's basically just deleting the app and reinstalling it. You really need to keep in mind that those drafts you have right now will not be available anymore. If you only have a few drafts, what you can do is to go in your drafts, click on one of the drafts, click on the arrow on the right side, just scroll down and you can save the video. And if you saved your videos, now basically you can delete TikTok because you have your drafts downloaded on your device. Alright, so all in all, this is how you can try to fix the problem of you not being able to upload videos to TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.